Welcome to BBC News. My name is Phil. Today is Wednesday, 28th of July. Earlier this morning, there was a huge earthquake in the city of Tangshan, China. It happened at 3:24 a.m. It was 7.8 on the Richter scale. It did some huge damage. It killed over 240,000 people and injured over 800,000. We have a reporter in Tangshan right now. All yours, Mike.
Thank you very much, Phil. This is Mike. My name is Mike. Right now, I am in the city, Tangshan. It is crazy to hear. The houses are fallen and there are fires all over. It is crazy to hear these things happen here. And tons of people are dead and injured. I am very sad about this. Survivors were left without food or water. There was a huge aftershock, which was 7.1 on the
Back to the studio.
Thank you, Mike. That does sound like a disaster. In fact, here's some pictures of the traffic disaster.